Hi everyone and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Hella. I am starting off by cleaning my vanity cabinets. They got a lot of hair stuck on them, mainly from the cat. I am using a microfiber cloth and an all-purpose cleaner to clean them, and I got these microfiber cloths from Amazon. They come in a really big packet and they're really good size. And I actually chuck these ones into the dryer even though they say not to, but it's the only way I can get all the hair off. If you like cleaning motivation videos, vlogs, video diaries, uh, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and like this video and leave a comment. It really helped me out. I am trying to post more often, but unfortunately, because I am a full-time carer, I don't have a lot of time to post, but I am trying to post weekly, but please bear with me while I get a schedule sorted out.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
I have been struggling a lot lately with washing everything, not so much the load but the water bill. My water bill is quite high. This is because one of my dogs, my male dog, is barking in the house. My son is autistic and he gets into a routine of weighing the bed, which I am trying to get under control with the help of OT. And my cat also puts kitty litter everywhere, so it ends up in my bed. And I have tried to control the litter by cleaning it more often. And I bought some rugs from Kmart to hopefully trap the kitty litter before it gets to the bed, which has been helping a lot. And I have been working hard on retraining my male dog. He started barking when I got my female dog. They're both D6, so that's not the issue. Hopefully the training will help the barking to stop. And hopefully one day I can get my washing down to one load a day or even every other day, which is what I'm aiming for, but we'll see how that goes.
Morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the
I tend to clean my bed 2 to 3 times a week. I brought extra sheets in case I kept finding washing. And I also just bought 2 more coverlets that were on sale at Spotlight. I really am trying to cut down on washing as it's getting too much. I also bought some fabric deodorizer that's supposed to kill germs. So I started using my sheets and they're not too covered in kitchen. I really hate doing washing so much, but unfortunately you just gotta get done. And my sheets are king size, so they take a while to dry in the dryer, so the extra sheets really help out if I haven't had time to dry them fully. And it's the same with the coverlets, even though they're only thin coverlets, because they're so big they take forever to dry, so having multiples has really helped me out quite a bit.
Things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
I really hate seeing ironing my son's shirt, especially in the summer. The other day it hit 38 degrees Celsius and there was no way I was still running in it. I had the aircon on most of the day. Even at 9 AM it was boiling hot. I made sure to take the dogs for a walk on the day before so it wouldn't be so bad for missing a day because of the weather. I do like how my son's shirt looks fine. It's just I do so much work around the house because I'm a single mum. And this is just another thing on the list that I don't want. But we'll get these shirts ironed anyway so they look nice and clean.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
rug in my office. I am going to use my Mr. Spot cleaner to clean it. I don't have enough cleaning solution, but it's not a very big area, so hopefully this is enough to clean off. I got this Mr. Spot cleaner from Amazon. I originally bought it to clean my fabric computer chairs from Koala, which they don't sell anymore. And you can see me clean that in another one of my videos. And just check out my playlist. I think I bought the spot cleaner for like $200-ish Australian. It's a really handy cleaning tool if you have carpets or rugs.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan, we'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young, in a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. And on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear.
This is a educational toy that I got off Amazon to use as part of my homeschooling for my son. The numbers are actually weighted to match the number of frogs on the opposite side. So when you put the right amount of frogs on the other scale, they actually equal out. So I'm using this as part of his math education and it's been really useful. He really likes it. Anyway, this is the end of this video. I'm hoping to try and post next week. If you want to see what I post next week, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm only a small channel, so your subscription to my channel will really help me out. And I'll see you next time. Bye.